Hi. At this moment we're going to explain about Jennifer Client. Jennifer Client supports the end-screen monitoring environment through HTML5, a standard web technology. Users can monitor without installing any separate client application in the web browser or on their device, whether on a computer or mobile device. Jennifer Client provides screens to help users monitor the applications such as dashboard, user-defined dashboard, analysis, statistic, and report. Let's walk through the screens one by one. The first thing you see after signing in to the Jennifer Client, you'll see the System Admin dashboard as a default startup screen. The System Admin is one of the Jennifer dashboard screen that monitors users' applications in real time. All of the dashboard screens will automatically monitor the applications rightly after finishing the installation process. Users can access the dashboard from the left side menu. The dashboard has several screens that users can choose from, such as System Admin Resource, Multi-Domain, System Admin, Batch Job, Topology, Memory, User, XView, Event, System Resource, DB-SQL, DB Connection, and Business. Each dashboard shows different information that users need. To customize the dashboard screen that suits the needs of the users, Jennifer also provides the user-defined dashboard. Users can make a dashboard screen as they like and choose any metrics data and the chart type that they need to be shown on the dashboard for a particular domain, instance, or business. Besides the real-time dashboard screens, Jennifer also provides screens to analyze the data monitored by Jennifer from the analysis screen. The analysis has several screens that users can choose from, such as XView, Application Status, Performance Browser, Metrics Regression, Event, DB Search, Browser OS Device, Source Code Resource History, Loaded Class, System Environment Variables, File, Socket, Threads, Dynamic Method Stack Trace, Delayed Method Statistics, CRUD Metrics, Memory Collection, Class Search in JAR or DLL file, Class File Location Search, Search for Modified Files, and Service Dump. To view a comprehensive summary of performance analysis data for each instance or business unit on a daily or monthly period basis, users can use the Statistics screen. Users can choose the daily, monthly, or historical for system performance or business performance from this Statistics screen. As mentioned before, the default startup screen is the System Admin dashboard screen. But, users can change the default startup screen from one of the screens that we've explained. To change it, just open any screens that we want to use as the default startup screen, then click on the View More button in the upper right corner of the screen near the Help button, and check on the Set the current screen as startup screen. So, whenever we sign in to Jennifer Client, the screen that we set as the startup screen will be opened first as a default screen. Last but not least, Jennifer Client also provides the function for users to create the desired format of reports from the data collected in Jennifer. The template menu is used to create a report frame. The report menu is used to check and edit a report created from the template menu. Here is an example of the report. Users can create a new report or edit an existing report with the built-in text editor. It also can be printed out if needed. Those are the screens that Jennifer Client provides to help users utilize Jennifer effectively. For a deep explanation of those screens, we will cover them in separate videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in another videos. Bye.